Hi, today we're going to talk about the verb to be, translated to Brazilian Portuguese. We do not use to be, of course. Instead, we use two verbs, the verb ser and the verb estar. Ser, estar. When we have to translate I am in Brazilian Portuguese, sometimes we can use eu sou or eu estou. In Portuguese, those two verbs have different meanings, but when we're talking about translating to English, they too have the same meaning. So when we have to translate I am for Portuguese, we do have to use eu sou or eu estou. Here we have to be, I, you, he, and so on in present, in simple present. The verb ser, you are, tu és. I have marked in red square here and here and here and here because in some books, in grammar books, you're going to find tu and vós translated as you singular and you plural, which we actually don't use those. We don't call people tu or vós. This is an old-fashioned Portuguese, but I have to tell you that European Portuguese, so people from Portugal, they do use tu and vós. And in Brazil, we use você and vocês. But I have to show you this because you can be confused. Can happen sometimes. In Brazil, some people can use tu, but they will not conjugate the verb properly. They're gonna put the verb in the third person, say tu é, and no tu és, tu é. So I am, we say eu sou. I, eu, you, singular, você, he, ele, she, ela, it. Sometimes we can use the demonstrative pronouns, to demonstrate things like this or that instead of using it. When we're talking about things, objects, animals, we do not know the gender. We use demonstrative pronouns. This or that, where we do not have it. Or we simply say he or she, ele ou ela. We, nós, you, plural, vocês, they, eles, for man, and elas, for women. So plural of ele, eles, ela, elas são. So this is the verb ser, eu sou, você é, ele, ela é, nós somos, vocês são, eles, elas são. The verb estar. Eu estou, você está, ele está, ela está, nós estamos, vocês estão, eles estão, elas estão. What is the difference between ser, the verb ser, and the verb estar, since both are related to the verb to be? So, in English, we do not have a specific verb which can be translated as this verb and this verb, but both. So, the verb ser and estar are the same as the verb to be in English. When we use ser in Portuguese, We are talking about pattern. We're talking about something that is always this way. It's how things are, the state of being. Instead, the verb estar means something that are not always. Something that just happened or something that is kind of new. I'm gonna show you with examples. Você é linda. You are gorgeous. We use the verb ser. The meaning is that the person is always beautiful, is always gorgeous. It's just the way he or she is. But when we say você está linda, which the translation is the same, you are gorgeous. But you see, we use the verb estar because it means that you are especially beautiful today, especially gorgeous. You look different than you usually are. So maybe you are wearing a different dress because you're going to a party and you're not usually wear makeup, but today you are using makeup and you're different and you are especially beautiful. Eu sou feliz. I am happy, the verb ser. This means I'm always happy. So my life, me inside my life, I am happy. I have a happy life. When I say eu estou feliz, I am happy, with the verb estar, it means I am happy today. I am happy because of something. But it doesn't mean I am always happy. When I say nós somos ricos, we are rich, the verb ser, we live a rich life. It sounds like we're always this way. When I say nós estamos ricos, we are rich, in Portuguese with the verb estar, it means we are not always rich. We received some money and now we are rich. It kind of sounds we just discovered that we are rich. We are not born this way, or we are not rich for a long time. It's a short time. It's recently.